Hello everyone, my name is Aiden, and welcome to the EnlightenU YouTube channel. EnlightenU is a non-profit organization that is dedicated to improving the lives of individuals in our communities as well as other communities. We mainly plan to do this through the use of technology, which is a huge part in both our daily lives as well as communities. We recognize here that not all people have access to these devices as well as the knowledge associated with them. As a result, we plan to have tech drives in order to collect old or unused devices, as well as classes both in person and online. The online classes will be found on this YouTube channel for free and will teach people how to use technology to its fullest potential and for their benefit. In the description below, you will find links to our email, Instagram, and website. We hope you look forward to joining us on our journey to improving our communities and the lives of countless individuals. Once again, my name is Aiden, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, please like the video and comment if you have any questions. Also, please subscribe to more upcoming videos on this channel. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.